Okay, today we're going to be working on GE profile refrigerator, and I find out that this refrigerator is made by Samsung, so this repair will apply to Samsung models as well. As you can see, is the profile version, and the model number is PFSS6PKWBSS. You can see the serial number right there as well. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do this repair safe. And we're going to start by removing the shelves. After we remove the shelf, we will remove the front panel on the refrigerator, the top screws of the bracket, the bottom screw, and then it will come right off. Then we will remove the right bottom screws from the panel and the left bottom screws, and then you just wiggle it a little, and then it will come right off. Comes down a little. So it's 3 harness in the back. The fan, actually it's 4 harness. For the fan, the defrost thermostat, the thermistor, and the defrost heater. The one has an arrow is the one for the fan motor, which I'm going to show you right now. This is the fan motor, and this is the harness, what I just told you about. And as you can see, this bracket, this piece of metal should be right by the drain hole, and it was not in place. There's one thing, and we find out, we did a lot of research on this, and it looked like it's too short. They actually sell replace part for this, which is it will go deeper in the hole to help defrost the ice build up around the drain hole. So this is a common issue with Samsung and GE models. Like I was saying, this GE profile is made by Samsung, so we're gonna find a way to do this repair. This is part of the drain line in the back of the unit by the compressor. It's actually one for the freezer and one for the refrigerator, and as you can see, it has a hole in it, and it used to be a P-trap in there, and they replace it for this device. You got to make sure that the drain line is working properly before you do any repair. So I'm going to pour some water down the drain. As you can see, it's water going down pretty good. So just clean it up, make sure it's no dust, and find some kind of dust and dirt in there. And this is how it works. It's like 3 pieces, and it's like a rubber, sort of rubber material. And I'm trying to do this with by myself. As you can see, I'm going to show you how to put the 3 pieces together after you clean it up. And as you can see on the left, that's the one for the freezer. The one I'm doing right now is for the refrigerator. The refrigerator one, it's on the right side of the condenser, and a freezer one is on the left side of the condenser. Just trying to put it back in there. That's the one for the refrigerator, and that's the one for the freezer. Now I'm going to show you what I come up with. I've done this in the past. It works pretty good. Since everybody's complaining about that piece of metal not fitting well right by the hole because it's too short, so I put 3 pieces of wire down the drain, and I put a piece of wire and I measure it. It was like 4 inches, 5 inches. It will go down pretty good. I put everything back together, and now I'm going to show you a trick to find out if the fan motor is running and everything is working inside properly. I find out that this refrigerator has like a sort of magnet switch on the top of both doors. So if you close one of them and then put a magnet right by the switch, it will turn off, and you can hear the fan uh, blowing. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, trust me, it's blowing cold. And because otherwise, every time you open the door, the fan will stop running. So that's a good way to find out if everything is working fine. All right, guys, if this video helped you in any way, you can show us appreciation by giving us a tip using the following options that you see on the screen. If you cannot provide with a tip, is another way to support this channel by just dropping off a comment in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and turn on the bell to receive notifications. Thanks for watching.